Right, I am back. Another video. This time I have got a little zigbee smart plug. There we are. I do with one hand on a camera. Screwdriver. And break the little bit of tape. Right, in the box you get. Obviously you can run this with either their hub or with Home Assistant. And in my case it's kind of, so you've got a plug. There is a 13 amp fuse in there. I would never run these things at 13 amps though. Never run things at their maximum, it's not a good idea. Let's get this cover back in. There it is. Then more packaging. Quick start guide. Just the usual details, pairing on their app, with their gateway, safety, hurdles, don't use wet, etc. That, and open Home Assistant, and I will show you what it breaks up in. Thank you. Yeah. Obviously, as you can probably tell, I am using zigbee to MQTT. So let's go where plug new, and as you see, it's not plugged in, but you get state, on or off, power outage, LED, voltage, child lock, blocks it turning on or off, link quality, and then you get devices, Reddit. There it is. So in here in Home Assistant you get indicate mode. Let me just enable that. That's what it was on, but on or off, child lock. It's off at the moment, but you get the idea. 0 kilowatts, power outage memory. That's for updates. Current. I thought that was enabled. Enable all these and then voltage. Now I'm going to put, and I am back. Just turned it on so you get on or off. Child lock. So that'll probably blocks the switch on the actual device. And that's energy draw, indicator mode. So on, power, resistant for outage memory, voltage 233, update available. Nope. That's link quality. If I was to go into, where is it? Zigbee to MQTT, and go log new, you'll see just turn this carefully. Friendly name, and you can actually go in, where is it? Here. You can change, some way you can edit it. No. Where is it? About, brand, lidl. edit, and then you can go here, for example, and go YouTube, and then you go edit, rename device, and as you can see, it is now called YT or YouTube. Just change it to new. Make sure you always tick that, or you will mess up stuff sometimes. And if it's new anyway, having that off allows you to not break stuff. But I would just deal with it and just rename it. Then this is how you join new devices. Permit join, disable. So for example, if I go permit join on that, put this down for a minute, I'll then plug in the new one. And then we should see start an interview with this. See. And then if I go in between, there it is, new one. That simple. Disable, always untick that when you get it. And bye for now.